We all seek to be valued. We often think that kindness is the key. We strive to be the most pleasant person in the room. We always say yes to requests. But instead of respect, we reap exhaustion and the frustrating feeling of being taken for granted. Why doesn't your kindness buy the respect you deserve? This is the great social illusion we are taught. The truth is simple and often brutal. People do not respect your intention. They respect your impact and your structure. Kindness, when unlimited, is perceived as an infinite resource. Or worse, an attempt to buy friendship or approval. It is a devalued currency that is thrown away. You might be loved for your kindness, but love is not respect. Respect requires a backbone. So, what do people really respect? Your high value demonstration. This value consists of two fundamental pillars. Competence, the insurmountable limits. Let's examine the competency first. Skill is the power to solve difficult problems. If you produce results that few others can equal, your opinion immediately becomes valuable. You are becoming a rare resource. People cannot afford to offend or ignore you. Respect is born from positive dependence on your usefulness. The most competent person speaks with authority. She doesn't need to beg to be heard. Its value is factual proof. Competence commands admiration and respect. That's what you bring to the table. But competence alone is not enough. If you are competent but too kind, you will become the luxury doormat. That is where the second pillar comes in. The insurmountable limits. Competence gives value. Limits protect it. This is the crucial difference between being useful and being exploitable. People unconsciously test your limits constantly. It is a social verification of your level of self-esteem. If you say yes to every interruption, your time is worthless. You report having less energy than others. Disrespect is simply a successful attempt to cross your line. And if this line is not defended, it disappears completely. The most powerful word for establishing respect is no. No is proof that you respect your own time and your priorities. When you respect yourself, others are obliged to follow this example. No, politely but firmly, creates scarcity. This indicates that your time is not freely available. Never offer a long justification after saying no. No is the strongest expression of autonomy. Respect is earned when one refuses to accept unworthy treatment. People do not respect what they get easily and for free. They respect what is difficult to attain. How to apply these principles immediately? Stop trying to please everyone. Seeking approval is the very antithesis of respect. It is a signal of need. Instead, focus on improving your skill. Become so good that your absence is more remarkable than your presence. It is the production of results that makes an individual indispensable. Then, have the courage to set your clear boundaries. Identify the tasks or requests that sap your energy and concentration, and learn to refuse them without guilt. Respect is the reward of well-managed strength, not the reward of poorly administered goodness. Your kindness is a magnificent quality which must be offered voluntarily. But to gain respect, you must project an unwavering structure. Strong skill. Insurmountable limits. It is the only universal language that people really respect. Start defending your space and your worth today.